Hi everyone. Today our topic is the descriptions how to sign up for a Databricks Community Edition. Unlike the Databricks free trial, the Community Edition doesn't require that you have your own cloud account or supply cloud compute or storage resources. However, several features available in this Bricks platform free trial, such as REST API, are not available in Databricks Community Edition. Here, for try Databricks free homepage, test-driven the full Databricks platform free on your choice of AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Sign up with your work email to evaluate your trial experience. If you create your Databricks account, you must sign up with your work email to evaluate your trial with expert assistance and more. It says, so you put it in your first name and last name in the email. I have my own neuavenue.com, but if you don't have your own work email, just type in your email at Gmail. So I'm typing my own email, but it's not for work email. It's just not a business email, not a work email, just my personal email. Name is neuavenue at gmail.com. But it says use a corporate email for expert assistance. So don't care about this message. If you have a company, put it in. If you are in the corporate, you are in the student's college or university, type title and the phone number and country. Is Korea period of. You choose select all. If you finish your name, company, email, and title, click it. It's loading. So when the choice cloud provider dialog, click the Get Started with the Community Editions link. You will see a page announcing that an email has been sent to address you provide. Okay, now it's time to look for the welcome email and click the link to verify your email address. You are prompted to create your Databricks password. When you click the submit, you will be taken to the Databricks Community Edition homepage. So I open up the new tab to touch my email, personal one. So neuavenue at gmail.com. Click the Gmail, my own email, Gmail. It says, welcome to Databricks. Please verify your email address. So he says, welcome to Databricks Community Editions. Yeah, it's provided you to access to a microcluster as well as a cluster manager and notebook environment. Ideal for developers, data science, data engineer, and other IT professionals to get started with Spark. So once you take your welcome page with the Databricks Community Editions, you already know get started with Spark. We need to verify your email address by clicking on this link. You will then be redirected to Databricks Community Edition. So link this and password, I can put it down to do this. Please, I'm going to enter this twice to confirm my own new password, and I say reset password. So I have two different things, so you can go any kind of email that you have. We are here. Thank you for watching this lecture.